silly.
Is this for Alia? Is this from Nana and Papa? Oh, fun.
Wow. That's for making a Christmas tree cupcake.
Christmas tree cupcake means Christmas tree cupcake.
That's cool. And what's the green thing? What fell off? What's that? It's an apron.
Oh, now you have an apron to cook in, huh?
Cool. Oh, that's funny. It's over her nose. That is super silly.